What are the compatible web browser versions for my TCL Smart TV?
Welcome. Today, we're going to be discussing a question that many of you TCL Smart TV owners might have. What are the compatible web browser versions for my TCL Smart TV? In this video, we'll delve into that very topic, exploring the browsers that work with your TV and how they enhance your smart TV experience.
What is a TCL Smart TV?
Before we start, let's understand what a TCL Smart TV is. TCL Smart TVs are a series of televisions made by the TCL Corporation, which are designed to provide integrated internet and interactive Web 2.0 features. The primary mode of exploration and interaction with the internet is through web browsers installed in these TVs.
What web browsers are compatible with my TCL Smart TV?
TCL Smart TVs come with an inbuilt web browser. However, the name of the browser is typically not specified, and its functionality can vary depending on the model of the TV. It's primarily designed for simple tasks like browsing websites, but it might not support more complex web applications. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there is no officially endorsed way to install third-party web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari on a TCL Smart TV. The available applications and software are mainly controlled by the operating system that TCL Smart TVs use, which is Roku OS for most models.
Can I upgrade my TCL Smart TV browser?
While it's not possible to upgrade the web browser or install a new one on most TCL Smart TVs as of 2021, you can ensure that your TV's software is up to date, which may include updates to the inbuilt browser. Regular software updates often come with enhanced features, improved security, and better performance. So, in summary, TCL Smart TVs have an inbuilt web browser which provides basic browsing capabilities. As of now, there isn't an official way to install or upgrade to other web browsers. To enhance your browsing experience, make sure your TV's software is always updated. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your queries about compatible web browsers for your TCL Smart TV. Stay tuned for more informational content.